Is your Samsung phone getting too hot? This usually happens because of heavy apps, background processes, or battery strain. Don't worry, folks. Here's how to fix heating issues to keep your phone cool and extend its battery life. So let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off these settings. First, go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, make sure to turn it on. Here you will find the Stay Awake option. Ensure to turn it off. Next, scroll down a little more. You will find the Auto Update System option. Make sure to turn it off also, and then scroll down. If you see the Allow Screen Overlays on Settings option is turned on, then turn it off as well. Now scroll down once again, find out the Don't Keep Activities option, and then turn it off. Solution 2. Change battery settings. Open up the settings, then scroll down a bit. After that, tap on battery. First, make sure to turn on the power saving option. Then tap on background usage limits. Here, turn on the Put Unused Apps to Sleep option. After that, tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Then tap Adaptive Battery. Make sure to toggle it on. Then go back to the battery settings page again. Now toggle on the Protect Battery option. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Uninstall unused apps to free up storage. To do that, go to the settings, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Device Care. Now find Storage, then tap on it. Next, scroll down once, then tap on the Unused app. Here, you will find your bulk unused apps. Select them, and then tap on the Uninstall button from below. Tap Uninstall again to confirm. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you solve the overheating issue in your Samsung Galaxy phone. If it did, please hit the like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help.